Okay, hi everyone, welcome to this live stream. Today I want to go through the setup and configuration for the Windows Server 2003 operating system. So I just want to share my screen. Okay, so here's Windows Server 2003 that I set up using Oracle VirtualBox. So the first thing I want to do is I just want to set the computer name here, and we'll just call it Server 1. Okay, and the next thing I want to do is I want to go into Control Panel. I want to go into Network Connections, Local Area Connection. I want to click on Properties, and I want to, sorry now, just bear with me here for a second, and I want to click OK here, and click Close. I want to go Start, Run. I want to go Notepad. So I'll set our default will be 10.0.0.0 IP. I'll just check that now. So our IP address is going to be 10.0. .2. Okay, so that should be 0.2, and I think it's .15. I'll just double check. .15. Yeah. Or sorry, that should actually be our subnet mask. That's 2.2. And DNS will be 10.0.2.3. Okay, and here we can type exit. And what I want to do now is I want to set a static IP address, because when you're dealing with servers, they always have to have a static IP address. So we'll click here on Properties. So we'll set that first. That'll be 255.0.0.0. So our default gateway is going to be 10.0.2.15, and I'll check our default gateway, and our default gateway is going to be 10 0 10.2.2, and our DNS server is going to be 10.0.2.3, and come down here and we can click, just move this forward, and we can click OK. Move this forward here and click on close. Okay, now I want to click on start. I want to go administrative tools, and I want to click on, if you bear with me now, you can see here, manage your server. So we click here, add or remove roles. Here we click, just click here on next. And we want to click on Active Directory Domain Services. Click next, click next, we click next, and click next, click next. That's all default. And we're going to call it crh.local. And here we click next. And we click next. That's fine, that's default. Click next. That's fine. It'll install DNS in a few minutes. And here we just set a recovery password. Here we click next and next. So I'll just step away for a few minutes. That'll take a couple minutes now to work. Okay, so now I'm back. That took a couple of minutes. So I'll click here on finish and we'll restart our server. And I don't want to save changes there, and our server's rebooting. Okay, and now I can log in. So I press Control Delete, enter in my password. Okay, so the server is now set up as a domain controller. That's great. And here we can click on finish, and we can click here on X because we don't want to add any more roles. So we'll just see now if we can set up a user account. Sorry, administrative tools, I was looking at the wrong one. Active Directory users and computers. So here's our domain that I set up, crh.local. So I'll just show you how to set up a user account. So all right, click here, click on user. So we'll go first name, John Bourke, Bourke. Click on next. So we can declick that, and we'll just set our password. And we'll click here on next and finish. And that's our Windows Server pretty much set up for Windows Server 2003. So I hope you liked this video. I hope you found it interesting. So thank you for spending this time with me, and I hope you have a nice evening. So that's it for Windows Server 2003, the operating system. So our next videos will be continuing Windows Server 2003 administration. So thank you for watching and have a good week.